I haven't traveled with another person since my last relationship. Since then, if not completely solo, I've only done group trips or joining others' camp while I make the drive on my own.
Wow.
Exploring the mountains and sharing a magnificent sunset with another human being was quite terrifying, to be honest. I often questioned if I had lost some capability to interact with people. Perhaps I should gather up some courage to be back in the human's world again.
Unreal. Gonna try to check out what this road is about. Alright friends, you know the drill by now. Ice Cap, new merch from Overland Babe, link down below. Let's hit the road, shall we?
It's okay if you don't know the drill yet. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Monique, a typical ice cap drinking Canadian. Not sponsored by Tim Hortons. But my background is more than that. Altar is my travel partner, ALTAR, named after a track in New South Wales, where I tested the capability of this Land Cruiser for the first time. Yes, we traveled around Australia together and now in Canada, still together. I also have an Oriental heritage, so I use chopsticks on my right hand, my steering wheel is on the right side, and I drive on the right side of the road. Most of my recent travels have been solo, just Altar and I. But this time, I have a tour guide.
Just letting it air down by itself using the valve. At Trailhead right now, Normally, I tend to come out by myself a lot, but this time I am following lead. This is an area that I was in by myself earlier this year, but because of snow, I didn't have the gut to attempt this track. It's not all that difficult, but it can go up to the mountain a bit higher. Probably a better decision that I didn't try otherwise. You never know. As we start to drive inland, it's getting warmer and warmer. Real hot right now. Lower Mainland is actually not that hot lately, but seems like we're getting a good weekend out with the sun. One thing about that ice cap, I feel like after drinking it, although it's coffee, I feel like I should be awake by now, but it's just, I feel so, can't really say it's tired, more so like brain fog. It must be the sugar. Sacrifice. Following the big brother into the trail. Seems like these trees has been torched. I'm not sure if that's related to the recent fire.
A few years ago, when I was researching this track, I found a blog article with photos. My tour guide for this trip was also part of the guiding team in that blog post, so I've been bugging him to show me the way. And finally, it's happening. Full disclaimer, he does not want to be filmed, so I am not going to shove the camera in front of his face. You may also find my filming on this trip somewhat reserved, just trying to be respectful, has nothing to do with pretending he's not there. Our mountains were under a lot of fire in the past week. Some major fires are pretty close to where we are headed. By now, most surrounding fires are under control and back roads are open. Fire ban in full force. You can tell the air is still slightly hazy, but I'm surprised to see that it's not so terribly smoked up. Grateful for the beautiful days and clear blue water.
Oh, if not these cables, it will be such a great view. It's still nice, but it's, you know, sort of reminds you that you're still within civilization because of those cables. We're not really that far away, really.
I am not alone, I repeat, I am not alone. Even though I'm driving alone in drone shots. It's just easier to manage this already difficult task, flying and driving in the same time. Doesn't it make you wonder whether it was because I was alone, so I film a lot, or because I wanted to film, so I went alone? They seem to feel each other. You see, even when I am not alone, I'm still flying solo. Came to the stop. Would you look at that? Wow. You can see the two legs. Now almost 1900 meters up. It's significantly getting colder, unless that's my AC. Just got this like mosquito repellent to see if it works at all. The color is just unreal right now. The sunset orange, the blue, purple, whatever flower this is. Unreal. Gonna try to check out what this word is about. Yo, look at that cloud too. It's like cotton candy color. Oh my god, at least to this. Wow. Wow. Now this is on top of the mountain. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. The color just looks like such a nice painting. Man. Last night was unreal. The sunset was so nice. It was still red till probably 10:30, almost 11. And then the sky cleared out, the stars came out, the Big Dipper was right on top of my car, and tried to do Star Trail again. I haven't done it since, well, I don't even know, a year probably, because when I'm alone, I usually don't stay up that late, and when I got to bed, it wasn't even that dark yet to let the stars come out. So we just lay down on the ground, watched the stars for so long, saw so many satellites coming, and there were two of them that was kind of like almost hit each other. It was so nice watching the night sky. Can't remember when was the last time I saw such clear sky. It might have been in the Red Centre in Australia.
Got a little lost in the thought of you and me. I don't wanna leave you, but I'll never had you. I was only dreaming and you never loved me. I don't wanna leave you, but I'll never had you. I was only dreaming and
Okay, new day. Let's go. Okay, go in. Don't be a pussy. Fuck. Ah, Oreo!
Do you like these ones? Birthday cake?
Oh, I don't think I ever tried that.
Oh my god.
I
like-
usually just like binge on the super thin one because you don't feel like you're eating too much,
I
and
wish-
then it's just like kept going on it.
I wish they had thin ones of these because they're